right, welcome to Options Tender. Good morning, traders. It is Wednesday, January 13th, 2021. Still the new year. I'm going to say Happy New Year till November anyway. But welcome. I appreciate you joining us. We're going to go over the ES on multiple time frames. We're going to move over to some individual names. We did place the expected move, the options expected move on each of those individual names, so you can have a little bit of extra playing field to diagram your trades. And if you're not familiar with options expected move, I will pin that. If you look up, we'll pin that card up top there so you can click on the video. So, all right. So if you like this information, if this helps you out, please click the like button. You don't realize how much that helps when we're trying to get those algorithms moving, get this out to so many people. We want to spread the word, spread the wealth. So here we go. Let's jump into it. Here on the ES, on the monthly, we have Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are working on final wave 5. Small doji candle looking real bullish. We're going to move over to the weekly. Boom, boom. On that weekly, we have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're still working on that inside week here. Moving right along. Still bullish. Daily. The momentum looks really good on that weekly as well. So trend is our friend. Elliott wave 1, 2, working on a bigger 3. We have the subwave 1, 2, 3. This is a very stretched out 3 that we have going on here. The MACD, I wouldn't really make it too cautious yet. You know, we'll go on a lower time frame and I'll explain why. But momentum's pointing kind of sideways, and that's because of the price action here. So looking on a lower time frame, let's see what's going on. 65-minute chart, we want all the candles the same time frame during our trading day. Let's get in tight here. So we have Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, down to 4, and we think 4 is complete, and we're working on a new wave 1, subwave 1. If we get down tight here, first of all, I want to point out this inverse head and shoulder. This would be the neckline. This happens every so often here on the ES. Looked right back there not too long ago. Inverse head and shoulder. There's wave 1, subwave 1, 2, and much higher there. So let's get in tight here. And let's see what you did after our ABC wave down. We are measuring out wave 1 and then down to wave 2. So wave 2 seems that it's completing here at the 61.8%, which would make a lot of sense. That would be invalidated if the wave 2 came below the bottom of supposed wave 1. So that wave 2 can always come right back, 100% retracement to wave 1. Anything under that, we have to work our count. Okay, so the momentum is waning down, but mostly sideways, and that's because of our bull flag here during consolidation. So we should see some up moves here today. As we talked about last night, I did put on a SPY call down here at 37.75 in particular. So we have this inverse head and shoulder. I put this line here from the bottom of the head up to the neckline, and that would be our measured move. So let's take that and you place it on where the neckline or the breakout area would be. Now let's move this down here a little bit, and that seems to be about the 38.40 area. So this measure move, you have a target there. When you have a pattern, a lot of times you could use the measured move for your targets. All right. Just want to show you that. So some individual names will blast through really quick in here in the pre-market. We've been looking at BABA. It's making a move up here today. Resistance here at the gap area. We'll see what it does. We're looking for that to take off real soon here. Rocket also making a move up in the pre-market, but bouncing off resistance. Workhorse. Really quickly go through these. Workhorse looks amazing. We caught a fantastic move here. Inverse head and shoulders, really big inverse head and shoulders, and it looks like we are working on another wave here, and A, B, C correction, another minute wave 1 on up. Huya, just added this onto our list. Huya looks fantastic for a long, I mean, it looks primed up right now. We're going to get in this today for next week's options expiration. Huya. Bynd, we've been watching this one with wave. We had a huge correction in ABC, and we watch a wave 1 come up, and wow, it's just been grinding down, but we think that might be the end. So after, if we break out from this downtrend line here, which looks like we're slightly, no, not really gapping up so much, but starting to make an up move here, might have to come down for a wave 1, and then boom, start moving to the upside in there. But we're definitely keen on Bynd at this point. Spce already started making its move. Looks beautiful. It's at the top of the expected move, so I wouldn't put on a play. I wouldn't put on any positions at this point, but we want to keep an eye on this one because it is starting to move again. And Airbnb moved on us yesterday, but we had a fantastic day with so many other trades. This looks like a big wave 1, 2, and making a subwave wave 1, 2, 3, and actually it looks like a 1, 2, 1, 2, which that's a very bullish look. So we think this one goes much further. We are past the expected move, but you know, on this one, the momentum is going to be fast and furious. So we're not really concerned about it breaking through the expected move. So I hope everything. I hope this helped out. Sorry. Hope all this information helped out. Hit that like button. Again, thank you. Good luck trading today. And thanks for joining Options Tender.